If you're a jersey enthusiast or a fashion lover on the hunt for top-tier gear, look no further than /kick.com, one of the best destinations online for high-quality jerseys and stylish fashion items. Whether you're repping your favorite football club, basketball team, or simply looking to upgrade your wardrobe with trendy streetwear, kick.com has something for everyone. What truly sets this site apart is its wide product range and unwavering commitment to authenticity. Every item is crafted with precision, delivering the kind of quality you'd expect from official gear, but at a fraction of the price. And speaking of price, one of the biggest reasons shoppers keep coming back is the unbeatable affordability. You get premium looks without the premium price tag. But it's not just about the products. It's the entire shopping experience that makes kick.com stand out. With secure payment options, including popular digital wallets and credit card support, your transactions are safe and smooth. Fast, reliable shipping ensures that your order arrives quickly, no matter where you're an enthusiast or a fashion lover on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank. Let me put you on to /hifoot. Are you a top-tier destination that's quickly becoming a favorite in the streetwear community? This site offers an impressive selection of sneakers, from the latest drops to timeless classics, along with a curated range of fashion items that blend style, comfort, and authenticity. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or designer collaborations, /hifoot has something that'll match your vibe. And the best part? The prices are surprisingly affordable, making premium style accessible to everyone. What really sets /hifoot apart is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Every product is carefully checked for authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. They offer secure payment methods, lightning-fast shipping, and a super responsive customer service team that genuinely cares about your experience. I've personally had a smooth, hassle-free experience ordering from them. From checkout to unboxing, everything felt premium. Whether you're copying your next grail or just have a question or need help, their responsive customer service team is always ready to assist. For anyone who loves unboxing high-quality gear and discovering hidden gems online, kick.com delivers on all fronts. It's a trusted, customer-focused platform that understands what fans and fashion-forward shoppers truly value. So whether you're collecting jerseys or just want to turn heads with your style, kick.com is absolutely worth checking out.